In this part, we are going to demonstrate how to use the return the values and then pass it to the functions. So the first function is to choose a number, and what we want to do is the first thing is choose the number, and then the other function is let the user to input the guess, and then the final one is to check the answer. So the first function, which has randomly choose a numbers from the computer, so it will return a value, and I want to pass it to the lucky number here, and then the user input number will pass it to this is the G for guess number. So for example, we have to use the random modules, so we will have to import the random modules, and then we create a list from 1 to 10, and then we create a functions, and then the lucky number is to choose a number from a list. And now we can get the number is 8. So the next part is we define the guess number, so we allow the user to put the input. So for example, if we execute this one, we will, for example, if we do not know this number, we put a 5 here, and then we go to check the answer by using these functions, and then we will pass this, for example, check answer, and then we will pass the lucky number and also my guess. Now you can see the answer is wrong, and the lucky number should be 8. And I think I have to record this. You have to return a integer value, so you have to use the int to wrap the string, because we have taught before the return the value from input should be a string, so you have to cast it to the integer, so you can compare the values later. And then at here you have to cast this to the string, so you can concatenate with the sentence before. So the full code, the full programming code is like this one. So we have to comment this, because this do not make sense that actually you already know the lucky number is 8, and then you input the number 5. So we have just need to use this. And now if you choose the 8 again, this will wrong, because the lucky number is 8. So this shows it already get the random values by using random dot choice. So it choose a random values from the list, and then you guess the number, and then you pass these two values at here to check the answer, and then it will show the lucky number is the value of the lucky number. So you should know that it do not cheating. So you guess 8, and then the value is 4, so you have the wrong answer.